In this video, I'm going to show you how to see dev funding on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-notch Twitter tracker, a P&L tracker, a reward system which basically gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals, use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can use presets with custom slippage, priority and bribe fees, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Now, to actually see the dev funding on Axiom, this has been a recent update and it's very new. So you want to go to polls over here, and then you can see whenever you see a specific token, there's like this dev icon next to it. Okay, so this is the dev icon, and then whenever you hover over it, some of them, well, most of them will say, however, how much it was funded and when it was funded, as you can see over here. And this is going to be, of course, the Solana amount, and then you can see, of course, the specific time. If you hover over it, it's going to be actually the exact time, and then you can also view the funding wallet on SolScan. If you click on that, it will open up solscan.io, and you'll be able to see the funding wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.